What's up guys, Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we are going to check out Mujjo's lineup of cases for the all-new iPhone 14, 14 Pro, and 14 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you my quick in-depth review. So yes, I got another leather case video for you guys. This one isn't anything new. I've been reviewing Mujjo's cases since the iPhone 5, which is probably about 10 years ago, shockingly. But here we are, we got two of their cases here, the full leather case in black, as well as their full leather wallet case in a vegetable tan leather. So let's check out this one here first, since this one's going to be my favorite, as I like to match black cases with my space black iPhone, as most of you guys probably have seen. Take a closer look at the back of the case here before we slap the iPhone in. You can see there is a circular engraving, which means this case does have MagSafe built in. And the entire back is lined with this Japanese microfiber, which is super soft to the touch and won't scratch the back of your phone. Now, it's a little bit hard to tell in the video, but the power and volume button covers are also lined with this Japanese microfiber on the inside part to ensure that they don't damage or scratch the buttons on your phone. And I don't know how Mujjo does it, and Apple also does the same thing, but the leather that's on here is a single piece. It wraps around the entire front, all the way around the sides, right over the bezels, and right into the inside part of the case here. So it's a single piece leather design. Alright, so let's slap the iPhone into this case here. We'll go volume button side first, and it should just slide into place. Alright, so taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the front here, you can see the case doesn't interfere with my glass screen protector. The leather bezel does wrap around the entire border of your iPhone and lips just above my glass protector. On the left and right side of the case, we do have covers for the volume rockers as well as the power button. The covers themselves are actually made of metal, which is pretty nice. It gives a premium look and feel to them, and when you press on them, you still get a nice tactile feedback when they actuate. On the bottom of the case here, we do have three individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. Lastly, on the back side here, we do have that leather that extends all the way around the back portion, the Mujjo logo engraved on the bottom, and a precision cutout for the camera lens module. In comparison to the Apple leather case, the leather that Mujjo uses feels a little bit, maybe not super tough, but just a little bit tougher. Apple's one felt really soft, whereas the one that Mujjo has here feels a little bit more durable. It just has a tougher texture to it, so it should resist scratches or tears or anything like that a lot better than Apple's own leather case. Overall, these Mujjo leather cases are an extraordinarily crafted case. There is not an imperfection that I could find on this case. Very well put together, very well crafted, and if you're looking for something that rivals Apple's own leather case and then some, you definitely can't go wrong with this one here. Now, we're not done yet. We do have the Mujjo full leather wallet case to check out as well. This is pretty much identical to the one I just showed you guys, except for the added addition of this pocket here for additional wallet storage. Now, according to Mujjo, you can fit up to 3 cards on the back here, so it's not necessarily a wallet replacement by any means, but if you have something that you just want to carry with you that you use a lot, like a bus pass or a debit card or something, then you can also slip it in here so that's quickly and easily accessible. So here's what the tan color looks like with the iPhone, the space black iPhone at least, and actually looks pretty sharp. I like the contrast between the black and the lighter tan color between the camera lens and the front here. And the tan color really shows off the metal buttons on the power button and volume rockers, which look really sharp. Again, very nice high quality button covers, along with a very nice crafted case. You can see the pocket portion here is nicely stitched all the way around the border and through the pocket area as well, with the Mujjo logo engraved on the bottom. Now, even though Apple doesn't have a wallet case, they do have that kind of card holder wallet attachment which sticks on via MagSafe, but this is certainly a little bit nicer if you want something more permanent, because this isn't going to pop off like MagSafe would. This is stitched right to the case, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. And here's a quick look at the wallet function. So I do have 2 cards in here right now, which you can kind of see. Let's see if we can fit a third one in, and it looks like we can barely fit a third card, but it is doable. Stretches the leather a little bit, you can see there, but your cards are nice and tight, they're not going to fall off, so it does make a really good wallet style case. Not a full wallet replacement, it's not going to replace a full size wallet, let alone a purse, but if you have a couple important cards like ID and a debit card, and if that's all you need, then certainly this is a nice accessory to have. And here's a quick look at the MagSafe function of the faux leather case. Got a MagSafe battery pack from Apple. And you can see here, works without any issues. And just a quick note for those of you who opt for the wallet edition, unfortunately, because of the added pocket, it doesn't have the MagSafe function built in, so you still have wireless charging. Unfortunately, no MagSafe. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about the Mujjo cases, the only couple of things I can mention, these are minimalistic style cases, so obviously they're not going to offer as much drop protection as like an Otterbox Defender case or any thick case like that. And the only other thing I already mentioned is that the wallet edition is missing MagSafe, so if you have MagSafe accessories, you would want to opt for the faux leather case without the wallet pocket. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for an Apple leather case that's super high quality, minimalistic, and doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to your phone, you definitely can't go wrong with Mujjo's faux leather case. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the Mujjo leather case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.